Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. Finally, we can get back to work after I spent almost 2 weeks trying to catch this little puppy. And this week, I want to build something super weird. I'm going to show you. Let's go. Remember when I found this in the junkyard?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this lamp. I want this for the living room.
The living room?
Yeah. But I think there's something very, very cool here. Very, very cool. $80 is a good price for that. I think this looks amazing as is. It almost looks like a sculpture or something. But I want to turn this into a little sound system. On Thursday, in 2 days, we have the first LA Maker meetup here in my new studio. And I want to do more community events and stuff like this. And I think having a sound system that looks cool is the most important thing we could do right now. Okay, the rough idea, obviously we have this big light on top. That has to be the speaker, mid and high tones. And then the bottom, instead of this little yellow box that we have right now, I want to build a subwoofer. And then I haven't decided, more functional would be to just have a Bluetooth board, a Bluetooth amplifier in it, so we can hook up our phones and this could be it. I think it would look so much cooler if it was like a real amplifier and a real turntable. We'll see. We definitely need to start with cleaning it and building the speakers. I have built a couple sound systems in the past, and I usually approach it more from an aesthetics perspective than is this the best sound we can get out of the speaker. There's so much math and you have to be so accurate. I don't like that. I just want it to look nice. So that's what we're doing. I got some speakers and I was surprised because we are building the subwoofer. And I was a little bit worried because you have to kind of get that right. And I was wondering how you calculate that. And then I saw it's on the box.
Oh.
Did you know that?
No.
They tell you. I am a bit worried coming back to aesthetics that the subwoofer is too big. So before we commit in building that in actual wood, I want to make a mock-up with cardboard and just see if the dimensions fit. And if not, we're gonna ignore this and build a box that's pretty. Oh my god, I can already, the comments will be so wild. All the people who know how to build speakers, I apologize. I'm just playing. I'm not, don't follow my directions. This is just for me to play.
Oh, man.
It's cardboard. Maybe this video should have a trigger warning.
People are going to comment, where's Smudo?
Yeah, Smudo still has to be at home, for those of you who are wondering, because he's not done with all his meds and all his vaccines, so they need to be separated for a couple more days. But he's doing great, and they met briefly. Smudo figured out that he is living in the camper, and once he saw that, he is now laying in front of the camper, protecting him or waiting for him or whatever. And I can't get him, away from the camper. It's really sweet. Nice. Okay, let's check the dimensions. Yeah, it's probably hard to see with the box, but yeah, dude. This is perfect. Perfect. Wonder if we could just use the cardboard box. What I want to do is get rid of this box, clean this thing a little bit, and then see what the next step is. This needs to come off. This is annoying. Okay. But beautiful. We're going to put it right into the library. Woody? It's clean. Working with this a little bit, I think I have a plan of what I want to do. I learned over the time that when you work with junk, you have to offset it with something nice. Otherwise, the reclaimed material aesthetic gets lost. But if you pair something that's used and reclaimed with something that's really nice and high quality, they both emphasize each other's aesthetics. So we're not going to build the speaker subwoofer thing from cardboard. We're going to build it from really nice walnut. So there will be a walnut subwoofer down here. And then this stem, we're going to build from walnut and then connect this to this walnut thing. And then we're going to have the black speaker in here. So black, aluminum in front of the speaker, and then walnut. I think it's going to look so good that I might want to take it home.
You want to give me the rundown on this?
The rundown?
How to use this thing?
Oh, sorry. So I get a feel for this and then I press it and then you kind of see it coming out.
Yeah.
And that's it. Cool.
Nice.
Sorry.
No,
I thought we've done this before.
You've always done it. I've
Yeah.
never done it.
If I remember correctly, I paid about $80 for this lamp thing, for the whole thing. So I looked it up. These light bulbs are around 130 to $80. That means if it works, we kind of made our money back. Let's see. Oh, nope. Okay, never mind. I have a really cool idea how to mount this speaker inside the lamp. Remember this glass that we took off in the beginning? I'm going to take the glass out, put walnut in there, and then mount the speaker onto this. And that way we can take it on and off if we need to, see the cables or anything. And I think it will look super clean. I need a little connector thing, a little piece of metal with 2 holes so we can screw the ring back together, because I suck at welding aluminum. I bet the gold digger has it for us. Let's use this. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's good. Okay, does the speaker fit? Nice. Yeah, so, and then this, this sits in here. That looks good.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Okay. Cool. Dude, check this out.
So that's what you've been doing while I've had my head down.
Does it look cool?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm so happy. I changed my mind about this needing to be walnut. I think this is enough. Then the speaker. And also, remember the yellow box that had like all the heavy stuff in it?
Uh-huh.
I think we can use that to put the amplifier. Like this is all in pieces. But then we clear this out, put the amplifier inside, and it can have all the controls from the top.
Oh, nice.
I think that will look awesome. And then everything is repurposed. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. All right, the amplifier is in. I could even repurpose this little cool switch that we found. Now if we switch it on, it instantly starts Bluetoothing. We can connect it with a phone. We can't test it right now because it's not hooked up to the speaker. The last thing I want to do, I was able to repurpose the power connection, which I thought was super cool because you can take it off. What's this connection called? I want to buy a couple of these and have everything connected like that. If you know what this is called, please let me know in the comments. And then, so we're just going to put the power through this. And then we can take a look at the beautiful subwoofer that you built, Sam. I'm very happy with that. I'm so happy we could save this yellow box. I think it will look super cool. But let's see what you were working on.
Oh, yeah.
Expert woodworker. I would have messed it up so bad. That is crisp. Oh, you made it so the grain follows all the way through?
I tried.
Yeah, you did. You succeeded. Amazing. Beautiful. That is great. Okay, so all we have to do to finish this is cut aluminum and put the speaker in.
All right.
And then we can test the sound.
Oh,
So crisp. What a crisp line.
all the engineers are just, oh. Nice.
It looks good, huh? Okay, we got all the different components ready. Let's put it together and see what it sounds like. I'm very excited to hear what it sounds like.
Oh, I heard something.
Bluetooth came on. Yep. Okay. Before we hear what it sounds like, I want to say I am pumped about what it looks like. I think this is so gorgeous. And even if it sounds like crap, I will love it forever. Okay, here we go. Dude.
Nice.
I know that every day is a fight.
That's not even bad.
And I know that you no longer believe.
Nice! Okay, let's go to the...
And don't you worry, don't you worry. There are millions of reasons.
Nice!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't you worry, don't you worry.
To be honest, I thought it would sound a lot worse. It is, at the end of the day, it is a speaker in a lampshade, but I'm surprised how good it sounds. Sam,
Yeah, no. I'm focusing.
this is great. Okay, let's get the shop ready. And then we have a couple more minutes before Maker Meetup.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy the new sound system for the Maker Meetup.
See you next week with a new video.
Awesome, thank you.